to my channel. I love to make Lego creations. So today I made a Lego creation and I want to share it with you guys. So can you guess what it is? You're right, it's a Lego Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. So first you have to make the first layer. So you can get a white plate, put it upside down, and put 4 whatever these pieces are called on the edges. So after you got 4 of these and you put it on the edges, take one plate, like a 2x2 plate, and put it in the middle. And then just take one of these and put it in the middle again. It took me a lot of time to figure out this. So after you got this, you get plates. It can be any color. Make your creation. So in a Rubik's Cube, red is opposite to orange, and green is opposite to blue. So that's what I did in my Rubik's Cube. If you have different color and if you want to make it more creative, you can make it. So after you got this, put this aside. So you get 2 like any color plates for your creation, and do the same thing. Put like whatever these pieces are called, 4 of them on the edges. And this is a very good thing. And you can also put it in your collection. But this time, you don't put a plate and the 4 plate. You put one of the 4 plate, and then you just, wait guys. And then you just put another 4 plate. So after you got this, do the same thing. You can also do this with different colors, but I'm gonna do it with the same colors. So after you got this, get this, and you got 2 of these. So now, after you got 2 of these, you need to connect them. So this is a very special piece. You can see it. I don't think you can see it, but if you see it, you need to connect it. You need this piece to connect both of these. So these middle holes, you put this inside this. This in this. Ooh, funny problem. This side is all, this side is all, this is not, and this is not. So you can also get that problem. The only thing you have to do is just switch them. So after you saw, you connect it with those 2 pieces, and then your whole Rubik's Cube is just made. So let me just do it quickly. One solve, done. And after you get this Rubik's Cube, I'm going on with it. It's so good. It's a very good creation, and it's the best. And it's also working 100% Lego. Bye guys.